Hey, what is going on, guys? So on today's video, I've got a little bit of a secret to tell you. You're gonna learn a little something about Binks on this video, so just keep watching. If you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button. I do beard stuff, I do hair stuff, I do shave stuff, and occasionally I find a bottle of something nice and have a drink with you. So if that sounds good to you, hit that button and you will know when that happens. Alright guys, so like I said in the intro, I got a little bit of a secret. Alright, nothing earth shattering, but like I said, you're gonna learn a little something about me. So let me set this up. I am a bearded guy, and I shave. I know, I've already made a couple videos on it. I need to set this up that way. A couple reasons why I shave. One, I like how it gives definition to my beard. Okay? Second reason is for work, where I work, beards are okay. However, they do ask that we keep it very maintained, make sure it looks trimmed, and shaving kind of helps contribute to that overall look that they're asking for. But here's the secret. I absolutely enjoy the process of shaving. I know, I got a beard, and you know, you always hear in that marketing, oh, put the razors down. I do, I enjoy it, I like shaving, you know. I like just getting my neck cleaned up, getting my cheek lines done. I love the way that feels. Part of that is the method I use. I kind of put my own spin on it, but it's a wet shave method. Real quick rundown of what that is. I'll prep my face, I'll get the hot towel on my face. I'll get some shave oil, and I'll put that on the areas that I'm going to shave. And what that does is that helps set up a good environment for the razor, and kind of helps keep your skin moisturized as well. And then I'll lather up some shave soap, brush that on, shave, wipe off any excess, and then I actually will take the oil again and put a little bit of oil back on the skin. And that is my method. And a product that I have gotten the chance to review that I really think does a great job with that is Regiment Shave Soap. They are based out of California. They have this really cool military theme that they have in their packaging, and it's a really neat theme. I like it. They're veteran owned and operated, so thank you, gentlemen, for your services. But yeah, this is a great product for shaving with that method I just described. And I'm going to get into why. I'm going to tell you about the product, and then I'll get into kind of why I feel this is such a great product for shaving. Okay, so this is a 3.5 ounce tin. This is their REVEILLE scent. I believe REVEILLE means wake up. And get into the ingredients now. There is water, stearic acid, tallow, castor oil, coconut oil, potassium hydroxide, shea butter, sodium hydroxide, fragrance, and bentonite clay. I'm going to open it up. You can see kind of an off-white. You can see different tones in there. That is the different ingredients coming together. If you press on this, it has a firm clay-like feel to it. You can leave a little dent with your finger. I've got to tell you how this stuff smells. It is amazing. So it has this very fresh, clean, masculine, almost like cologne kind of smell to it. I think some of the notes that I read on it kind of are supposed to be reminiscent of like some tobacco and some floral notes. I can see some of that in there, but it really just, overall, it just comes together very fresh, definitely a masculine, fresh scent. I love it. This is, I've gotten to do 2 other soaps from Regiment, and they were well executed. One was very minty, the other one had had a floral, I felt it had like a sweet floral thing going on. This one is my favorite of the 3. It just has this great masculine, fresh, clean way about it. Absolutely love it. I highly recommend it just based on the scent right there. If you want to go off scent, this really strong recommendation on this one, guys. So getting back to where I really feel like this has some benefits. I've used a soap similar to this. It's, you know, if you would just go off of basics like touch and everything and looks, you would say that they're very similar products. There's a lot more, I really feel, between the one I'm kind of mentioning and this one. This one has a lot more going on, and I really think there's a little more value here. Where I get the value, there's 4 ingredients that I see listed here, and that is the tallow, which is that's an animal fat. Okay, castor oil. Those of us bearded guys who we use bearded oil, so there's a good chunk of us that like castor oil because it does add when it's mixed in with our beard oil products, it adds a nice weight to it, and it's also a very good oil that's really good for your hair and skin. Coconut oil, good for your hair, good for your skin, really does a lot of good stuff for you. And then there's shea butter, which I see used in our beard balms. So there's a lot of really good like oil, or if you want to call them fats, in this product. I mentioned that I put oil on my skin before I shave. Guys, when I was trying these different soaps from Regiment, I saw those ingredients there. I didn't put oil on I would do the warm towel and then I would just lather and put this on. And that's what I've been doing in those videos. That's what I was doing. This soap does such a great job with that. Really it does. I will tell you that other product that I've used, it only had coconut oil in it. It had other things in it, but it was only like 4 or 5 ingredients total. This one has more than that, more ingredients. And that's not necessarily a bad thing. I think it's good. Based on the performance that I'm getting from this, it's a good thing. And like I said, the ingredients that really jumped out at me, those fats or oils or oil-based products, like I said, there's 4 of those in here. And the one I was looking at before, they only had 1. So like I said, I really think there's a little more value going on here. I'm gonna get a lather going and just do a quick show of how this stuff works and operates, alright? So hang tight. Alright guys, so I'm gonna get my lather going here. Okay, you can see lather's up pretty nice. Let me show you. This is where, I mentioned those oils in here. I'm gonna show you how this helps. Okay, so this is my brush, it's all ready to go. Look at that. So you can see how rich that lather is. Okay, here it is. Look at that. Now that's gonna hold up pretty much right there. Okay, those oils help create like almost a structure when it comes to really help kind of create like a nice structure for the lather. This is gonna stay on my skin. It's not gonna really fade at all. I've had other shave soaps, they kind of fade as time goes on. And that's just how they work. There's different styles of soaps. But this one, like I said, there's some good oil products in here. They really bring, I guess, like I said, some oil and fat to the process, and that really just helps with overall protection and performance for your blade, everything. And this soap is doing a lot of work. So yeah, this is good stuff. And you can see I've talked this long now, and it really hasn't changed much at all. So, whereas you would have already probably noticed a difference with some other shave soaps, you would have noticed it would have started kind of fading a bit. And this is holding up, even on the back of my hand there. Okay? So, that being said, I'm going to get lather on my face, do a quick shave. Alright, there we go. See the lather. Goes on pretty nice. Just again to show you how this lather holds up, you can see that's me in the shave here. Alright. Again guys, this is very comfortable. The shaving this way, like I'm not getting any really tugging or anything. I can feel my blade cutting through my hair. It's very smooth. We're all a little different on our comfort level, but for me this is a very comfortable shave. It really has a very good smooth feel to it. There we go guys, there's a fresh shave right there. Feels amazing. Alright, this is my shave oil, so I'm going to put this on now. Like I said, it's just a slight aftershave treatment that I use. Just put a little bit on, just enough to cover my fingertips here, and then I just go over where I just shaved. This is an oil I put together myself, so it's not another product. And it just adds a little bit of moisture to the skin. Not that it was really not that that really dried it out, but taking that wet cloth, and it is soap, it will react. It does react to water, so it does rinse pretty clean. But yeah, I just do this, and there we go. That's my shave right there. You're gonna have lather left in here after you shave, and then you use your brush. Rinse it out. okay? And then just leave it sit with its cap off. All right, just let it air dry. And then you put the cap back on. But guys, again, REVEILLE from Regiment Shave Soap. Really good stuff. Love the way this stuff smells. Just has an awesome smell. I'm probably going to be checking out the beard oil because it smells that good. I really do like it. If you got any questions or comments, leave them down below. Hit that subscribe button. And you know what, guys? Have a great week. Take care.